I recently received a comment from an uninformed individual on a video I posted on the TicWatch 3 Pro Ultra, an Android Wear smartwatch. Get this, knockoff Apple Watch. Give me 1 second.
Boy, have you lost your mind, because I'll help you find it.
How's it hanging, Team Tech Vengers? For those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Jarrett, and I give you the most informative reviews on technology and also tips and tricks on how you can use technology to make your life easier. If that's what you're into, go ahead and add me to your subs. If not, you're here for something else, so let's get into it. Oh, and by the way, if you're looking for the TicWatch 3 Pro, I have an affiliate link in the description that will get you a pretty great price from Amazon, so check it out. Mobvoi, the makers of the TicWatch Pro, sent me their newest TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra to get my thoughts and honest feedback on the device. Now, when people hear Android watch, they immediately think cheap, fake, or knockoff. Some of y'all, I don't blame you, because there have been a lot of cheap Android watches out there that have tarnished the brand name in general. But with anything in life, when you paint everything in a category with the same brush, you do a disservice not only to yourself, but to the tech community as a whole. Let me jump into the unboxing of this device for you. The packaging is actually quite premium, and it gives you the sense that you just purchased a quality product. But we can't judge a watch by its cover, so I'll open it up and see. We have the quick setup guide. The setup is quite simply laid out, and the watch itself, it's beautiful to the touch. It feels solidly built, and it doesn't have that much heft to it. I love it. But we'll talk more about the look and the feel in my full review. We got a safety instruction booklet, and of course the charging cable. It is magnetic, but my initial impressions from unboxing this, I don't like the fact that it's a proprietary charging cable, and I'm not too keen on the charging pins either. It's a little bit of outdated, don't you think? Nonetheless, it is a beautiful piece of hardware, so let's set it up real quick. You would just need to download both the Mobvoi app and the Google Wear app from the Play Store. Setting up is quite easy through the Wear app. You just have to accept the terms of service and then connect the watch via Bluetooth. Once you're connected, you run through a couple of permission screens, such as permitting access to calendars, contacts, stuff you need to make your smartwatch smart. And that is pretty much it. You're brought into the home screen for the watch, where you can change the watch face and modify settings. I will go through this in depth in my full review, but initial impressions, there is nothing that feels cheap about this watch. It's fluid and it functions very well. Hey, I appreciate you watching this video and just trying to better your understanding of technology. Again, this is an open conversation. I can learn so much from you as much as you can learn from me. What do you think of the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra? Do you have one, or are you looking to get one? Either way, make sure you're following this channel, because my full review on the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra is coming very soon. Like always, I'm Jared the Tech Venger. Don't forget, when it comes to tech, the Tech Vengers are there. We got your back.